Welcome to Trend Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Porsche Panamera Turbo, a luxury sedan that continues to redefine performance and style. Let's get into the details. The 2025 Panamera Turbo blends incredible power with luxury and cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, the Turbo boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers an astonishing 620 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. This impressive performance is paired with Porsche's renowned all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional handling and stability, no matter the conditions. The exterior design of the 2025 Panamera Turbo remains sleek and aggressive, with its bold lines and athletic stance. Porsche has refined its aerodynamic features, giving it a more streamlined look while maintaining that unmistakable Panamera presence. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights and a large grille, signaling the power under the hood, while the rear showcases a dynamic spoiler that enhances both the car's performance and visual appeal. Inside, the Panamera Turbo continues the luxury experience, offering an exquisite combination of comfort and technology. The cabin is lined with premium leather and refined materials, creating an upscale atmosphere. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is easy to use and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. Plus, the seats are highly adjustable and feature heating and cooling functions for the ultimate comfort. As for technology, the 2025 Panamera Turbo features an array of advanced safety and driver assist systems. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist and a surround view camera system, this sedan is designed to keep you safe and aware at all times. On the road, the Panamera Turbo delivers an unforgettable driving experience, with precise steering and a suspension system that offers the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling winding roads, this car excels in every aspect. In conclusion, the 2025 Porsche Panamera Turbo is a true masterpiece. It's fast, luxurious, and packed with technology, making it one of the best performance sedans on the market today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars.